Welcome to this unboxing video where I try the Sakura Pigma Micron Fineliner pens in black for the first time ever. They've been highly recommended to me both online and by friends in person, and I've heard they're wonderful. My first impression as I write out the sizes and types of pens, and it's really nice having the different sizes and the types of pens. The brush line, I went back and decided to see, can I make a smooth, skinny line to a thicker line, like calligraphy? And yes, that was pretty easy, even though I'm not very skilled. I chose to use every color in sequence from fine to thicker. And so I started with the whiskers on a super fine point, and I did feel that I should have had a really light touch because it was so fine that it was a little tricky. Other than that, I found that it was really nice, very similar to the Sharpie fine points, but it provides a lot more differences in the widths, and so I found that it was actually really nice to be able to choose a size. And it was a little bit random the way that I did this because, like I said, I just started with the very smallest, and every time I switched pens, I go one pin larger. I really enjoyed using these Micron pens to make a card for my sister, who gave me this sweet idea for a cat wearing bunny ears. And I hope that you enjoyed it. Maybe you'll draw along, or maybe it gave you an idea for a card. If you want to draw this cat with bunny ears, feel free to go back and pause whenever it's needed, and it's a nice little doodle tutorial for that. I really did enjoy using these Sakura Pigma Micron Fineliner pens, and I will definitely be using them in the future for many of my little doodles and then some other things too. Thank you for watching. I'm your Doodle Dragon. If you're interested in seeing more videos or you'd like to get these videos out to other people, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate you, and I hope to see you again next time.